Hey G-Shock fans, welcome to my next clip here. Today we have got here a camo box. It's a brand new piece. It's a GA-700CM for camo -3 AER. The price was €149. So let's see this watch. Module number 5522, warranty card. Here is the tin. G-Shock tin, the side too, it's camo, great tin. Let's see the watch. Here is the tag, GA-700CM. Before you see the face, I want to show you the backplate. Standard backplate, a black matte backplate would be cooler, but okay. Let's start at the band here. We have here a plastic buckle, and here the keeper in black, and this is the camo pattern. Really cool camo pattern. Let's see the other side here. Great pattern. Camo, green, black, olive green. So let's see the face here. This is the face. Beautiful watch. G-Shock at the top. Great, really great. I love the display. Comes really good. Beautiful display. Wow, the G button here. Black buttons at the side. Yeah, it's really a really nice piece. Let's see it on my wrist, guys. Give me one moment, please. Takes a couple of seconds. Okay. This is the back here again. Wow, great camo. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Love the size. It's a big piece. Of course, yes. Really beautiful, sick watch. So let's see the backlight. This is the backlight, nothing special.